go a little bit forward here just to get the last part of the back adjusted here. Okay, I'm going to get you closer to the edge here because I want to free up the left pelvis that's tight. Okay, I'm going to go forward a little bit here. That was good. Nice and relaxed, just a little bit here. I don't think I need a mic for that. Okay, just nice and relaxed a bit here. Good. All right, so I'm just gonna cross the arms a bit here. Put your chin down just a little. You all right? Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna go straight down. Let's clear the middle first. And then one more a little lower. Okay, good.
Yep.